This video is a special request from someone who has an ex who's narcissistic and has to co-parent with them at Christmas. They know the individual's volatile and it's highly likely that it will kick off because that's the consistent pattern that has always happened. I've been asked, what tips do I have for assisting through the Christmas season with an unnecessarily difficult ex? Firstly, and it's probably a little bit late to say this, maybe late in the day, but it's incredibly important for your sanity that you get a legal framework in place when dealing with an ex-partner with narcissistic tendencies. The benefit of that is there is a clear framework about do's and don'ts, and when they infringe or they take the mick or they try to diminish your power by coming late or playing the little mind games that they play, you have a clear framework to refer back to should there be any problems. Secondly, if you don't have any legal framework in place, is there someone in your circle who you could have advocate for you, deal with them in order to best protect your niceness, in order to best protect your energy? Because we know that they want to zap your energy, and we also know they want your power because they love to have power and control. So consider, is there anybody in your circle who can advocate for you? Because as you probably know, if he's your ex, that they thrive on having power and control over people. And so if you can function, if you can be aware of that and then strategize against that by either having a legal framework in place or having safe people around you who will come in between you, then that can be of assistance to you. Because often, not always, but narcissistic individuals can use their own children as ammunition because they want to have power, control, and dominance over you. And when we have found them out and we have decided we go and pack up our stuff and leave, they will have a problem with that. And sometimes we'll go on a mission to try to have one-upmanship over you in order to diminish your greatness. And you need your greatness in order to take steps to live your greatest, to become your greatest self, because life is short and none of us are promised tomorrow. Remember, do take care of you. And if you need any more tips, do inbox your girl Key.